Sir, they're breaching our defenses. Quickly! Calm down, please. Like, actually, you look like you're gonna have a heart attack. Because we're dying! We're gonna die! Just like, I don't know, thug it out. Just like, the birds, just like, make another fort or something. Sir, this isn't even a bird! Dear God.
Monkeys, turn off this alarm.
Ivanovich, turn off the alarm.
I must say, monkeys, for some things without limbs, you do have great security.
Wait, why are you here?
Monkeys, it isn't as simple as one reason. I have multiple.
Jumping Jehoshaphat, he had multiple reasons! Oh, just like, stop. What even was that? What the fuck is a Jehoshaphat?
Monkeys, shut the fuck up and just listen. Well, monkeys, long ago, long before time had a name. Glad I'm not that guy. Okay, wait, what was I saying?
You were telling us about why you were here.
Oh shit, right. Long ago, long ago, tens of thousands of years ago, there was voyagers that came. They descended upon these lands without mercy, and to root it all, they erupted in war, treacherous war, and they all regressed to a primal state, which they evolved into you. And their forbidden knowledge has been passed down as an heirloom, which I might think you know.
I think he means a piss rock.
No, monkey, what the fuck?
I mean, we could show you it, and maybe it is what you were looking for.
Fine, monkey, but don't waste my... Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Finally, time. Wait. Why do you call it the piss rock?
Because I piss on it?
Please, does it work? Come on, Papi wants answers. Papi wants answers! Well, I'm going there. Toodaloo!
That guy was fucking weird.
Definitely on psychotics.
Definitely, like, man. How do you live like that?
Really? Like, I don't even know what that is.
I just piss on it.
So this is it. The head. This must be the thing I've come for. Oh my god. What? That did shit just move? What? What the hell is that?